Welcome back to this Adventure Work Sales Report. In this part, we are going to analyze the customers by sales and other KPIs. If you would like to keep the same KPIs, you can do that. But what I'm going to do, I'm going to first create some of the slicers. And the easiest way that you can also copy your slicers from here and you can use it over there. So I'm just going to copy and I'm going to paste it over here. And if you would like to sync all the slices, you can do that. Otherwise, you can also don't sync it. Sync means if you are going to select something on the first page, it's going to applicable to the other pages as well. So I'm going to say don't sync. And here, if I'm going to go to the formatting pane, I can also do some more formatting in terms of the styling, that is the border over here. And I'm going to do it by 10. Please do play with this. This is very important that you see the finest of the reports. And if you don't know, you can also check the Microsoft Gallery for the report so that you can get different ideas to create more reports. I'm going to also copy this, and in this page I'm going to use two slicers. One is by gender and another we are going to use probably by their marital status. So I'm going to copy this and paste it, and I'm going to use it over here. So let's keep it them a bit at a distance, and this one is be part of my visual. I'm going to say no to this. And let's use something house owner flag. I haven't seen that, so let me see. Okay, this is better for this one. And the next one is the first name, no, English education. So I can see that their English education is there. So you can use any number of slicers or any kind of, but depends on what your user is asking you or what is in the requirement. Right now we don't have any such, so we are going to use this. Now first, by gender, I would like to check my total revenue. What's going to happen to that? For that, I'm going to use one simple column chart by gender, and here I can use this sales, not sales by region. I need total sales, and you can find it over here. But let's suppose you want to break it down further by the marital status. So you can simply select it over here and you can see that, but I don't want this chart, I want this one. Here I can see what is by my gender and also by the marital status. And let's see if we have any other one that is going to depict the better one. This one, no. This one, no. All right, let's use this one only. This one seems better one. So male, female, and also by their marital status, we have this over here. You would get more formatting options over here if you really would like to check it. For example, if I'm over here and I go to this, let's say the formatting options, styles, here you can go to bars. And here I want to apply some more settings. For example, I want to apply the border on these bars, and the border should be this color. Now you can see the border is appearing, and you can increase the width of the border to make it look better, and you can also give the spaces between them. So series explosion, and then you can have the layout options like sort by value or how you would like to do that. So that's another. Even you can do the reverse order, etc. So these are a couple of the things that you can manage over here. If you would like to match with the bar, you can do that too, but I don't want it match by the bar. This is one part. If you want to apply for a specific one, you can do that too. Isn't it easy and also a better one? If you would like to see the total labels, you can see that, and you can also further customize that one. If you would like to increase the value, you want to change the color, for example, you want something like this, you can do everything over there. So this is just one way to analyze it, and I changed it. All right, this is the one part. Another part, if you would like to check by customer, let's say if we are over here and we would like to say the total children, right? Total children should not be there, but let's see. This is different because it's a number, and this should be in the fact table. So it's surprising, but we are not going to use this. What we can analyze over here, occupation. So this is a very good one. So by occupation, we can also see the profit margin or the total sales or the total units sold. Let's see. So these are the total units sold by the occupation. So this is the page where we try the different formatting option in the bar chart, but you can also try the different charts over here. For example, if I'll say, hey, this is not only the information I'm looking for, I can check more. For example, I can also utilize this card. So this card is basically a tree map, and you can see what are the regions over there. So we would like to use this in a later part. where I'm going to show you the country and the regions in the regional sales analysis. But for customers, this can matter. Funnel chart. Here I can add a category, let's say date of purchase. This is the dimension. And date of purchase versus year of year, or maybe your average transaction value. So you can see it's appearing very weird because your date of purchase is a continuous line, so that you can use this line graph over there, and that you can limit now. If you want to limit it, you can say just for bachelors, or you can also say just for the house owner flag 1. So that's how you can create it. Always use this continuous line if you would like to check data for a date and how the trend is going on. And let me just increase it. But there's one more important part that I would like to show. If you want to generate a summary of this and you want to tell a story, then what you can do, you can use this chart, which is narrative. It's going to create a summary of this, and I can see, okay, do with Copilot preview. And here it's going to ask you, give an executive summary, and then create it. It's going to automatically create an executive summary of this one. This is a very good feature that you can utilize while creating any dashboard and reports, because you have to define it. What does that mean? Either none of the workspace have write the capacity. Oh yeah, because it's going to use my premium capacity. So you must have fabric capacity in order to utilize this feature. So I'm going to remove it and I'm going to create it again. So here I'm going to come to build visuals again here, and I'm going to ask it to use this visualize, and I say custom, and now it has created a summary for me. In the next part, we are also going to use another very important one, which is going to be Q&A. That means your users can ask any questions from this one. You can also tweak these values if you would like to, and you can tweak it from here. Try to do that. You can say percentage, you need to change the format, you want to write something else, etc. You can do that from here, but I'm not going to do that, and also keep it like that as it is. It's going to give a pretty good summary about what's going on with your data over here. This is it for this part of this module. In the next part of this module, we are going to do the regional sales analysis, which is going to be our last visualization part, and after that we are going to move to the Power BI service. So thank you for watching this video, and I'm going to see you in the next video.